It's the complete transformation of the upright vacuum, the Shark Rotator Powered Liftaway. It's an upright with powerful no loss of suction and advanced swivel steering for incredible maneuverability around furniture and tight corners. It's a liftaway for super lightweight portable cleaning above the floor, on furniture, ceiling fans, and cabinets. But Shark didn't stop there. With the Rotator, they solved a problem that stopped other uprights dead in their tracks. Furniture. No more bending over, no more back-breaking cleaning, no more moving furniture, and no more leaving dirt behind. The Rotator-powered liftaway can reach it all. The secret behind the Rotator is its ability to deliver power to drive the brush roll when you go into liftaway mode. Power travels through the hose, down the pole, and right to the power head. Now you can reach the tightest spaces in your home, all while the cleaning head is still powered, continuing to drive the roller brushes deep into the carpet, providing deep down cleaning that never stops. Then simply reattach the canister. There has never been a vacuum that could do that. The Shark Rotator's power, versatility, and durability also make it the ultimate pet vacuum. And more importantly, the Rotator keeps the pet dander, dust, and allergens locked inside. In fact, the Rotator-powered liftaway's anti-allergen complete seal technology locks in 99.99% of dust and allergens, keeping them in the vacuum and out of the air you breathe, making the Rotator an absolute must-have in homes with allergy and asthma sufferers, young children, or pets. Go online for yourself and see all the 5-star reviews of the Rotator-powered liftaway from real Shark owners. It's no wonder J.D. Power ranks Shark highest in the nation in customer satisfaction 2 years in a row. More reach, more versatility, more performance, more cleaning power. The Shark Rotator-powered liftaway.